Hi my dear students, welcome to Students Reference. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe the channel and click the bell icon to get notifications for the upcoming videos. Today we are going to discuss about 2017 Set B NSO question paper for class 3 students. I have already uploaded some other IEO, NSO and IMO question papers for class 3 students. You please go to the playlist in Students Reference and click Olympiad Class 3 to get these question papers. First I will show you the full question paper. You try to solve it on your own. After reading the questions, you please pause the video and take your own time to answer the questions. I will attach the answer key at the end of this video. First topic is logical reasoning. 1. If minions x and t are removed, then minion dash is fifth to the left of minion q. You look at the given pictures carefully and try to find out the answer. This is a repeatedly asked question. And here the given condition is minions x and t are removed. So we have to remove x and t. X and t. Then minion dash is fifth to the left of minion q. And this is our left side. Where is q? This is q. We have to find the fifth one. So this side is left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So M is our answer. So C, M is the answer. 2. Arrange the following alphabets to form a meaningful word and identify the category of the word formed. You read the given letters carefully and try to find out the answer. So if we rearrange these letters, we get orange. Orange belongs to fruits. So answer B, fruit. 3. In which of the following figures figure X is exactly embedded as one of its part? So this is given figure X. You try to find out the answer. This is also a repeatedly asked question. Which one is the correct answer? Option D. Figure X is embedded like this. 4. How many possible combinations of one lollipop and one ball can be formed from the given lollipops and balls? You look at the given pictures carefully and try to find out the answer. This is also a repeatedly asked question. How to do this? So to find the answer, first we have to count the number of balls. Number of balls is equal to 3. Likewise, we have to count the number of lollipops. It is equal to 4. Now we have to multiply these two numbers. 3 fours are 12. So our answer is 12. So A, 12. 5. There is a certain relationship between the pair of figures on the either side of proportion. Identify the relationship of the given pair and find the missing figure. You look at the given figures carefully and try to find out the answer. To find the answer, first we have to find the relationship between E and 12. Okay. Here the letter E is made up of 12 lines. So they have given 12 here. So likewise we have to count the number of lines in T. T is made up of 8 lines. So our answer is B, 8. Next topic is signs. 6. Refer to the given diagram and select the incorrect option regarding birds X and Y. You look at the given Venn diagram carefully, then read the 4 options and find the answer. And we have to find out the incorrect option. And here X is bird can swim. Y is bird can swim and fly. Now we will check the options one by one. X would be penguin whereas Y would be duck. Yes, this is a true statement. Both X and Y possesses webbed feet. This is also a true statement. Both X and Y have 2 toes pointing in upward direction and 2 toes pointing in downward direction. This is wrong. So our answer is C. 7. Refer to the given figure of a plant. This one. If we remove all dash from the plant dash. You look at the given pictures carefully. Read the 4 options and try to find out the answer. And here X is flower, W is leaf, Z is stem, Y is root. We will check the options one by one. If we remove all X, that means all flowers, it cannot transport food. This is a wrong one. If we remove all Y, Y is root. It cannot absorb water. Yes, if we remove root, it cannot absorb water. This is a correct statement. Okay. Z is a stem. It cannot make its food. No, this is wrong because leaves make its food. W is leaf. It cannot produce seeds. So this is also wrong. So our answer is B. 8. Roy wants to make a list of actions that show friction produces heat. Which of the following would he include in his list? Rubbing hands together, scratching a matchstick against the matchbox, sawing wood, drilling a hole into metal sheet, rubbing off some pencil marks with an eraser. You read the given 4 options and try to find out the answer. Answer is D, because all the actions show friction produces heat. 9. Select the pair that contains food items that are obtained from same plant part. Clove, cardamom, tomato, sweet potato, almond, cauliflower, potato, ginger. The correct answer is D. Potato and ginger are stem foods. 10. Rohit paired animals on the basis of their feeding habit as shown in the box. Select the option that pairs animals in the same manner as done by Rohit. Look at the given picture. Read the given 4 options and try to find out the answer. So in the given picture, rabbit is a herbivore, crow is a omnivore. Omnivore means it eats both plant and flesh of other animals. So in the given 4 options, the correct answer is A. Wild beast is a herbivore, bear is a omnivore. 11. Which of the following is categorized as energy giving food? You look at the given pictures carefully and try to find out the answer. The correct answer is B. Chocolate. Here egg and pulse are bodybuilding food and the vegetable is a protective food. 12. The house shown here can be found in areas with dash. Look at the given picture. Abundant snowfall, multiple rivers or lakes, abundant rainfall, very high temperature. This is an igloo. So the answer is A. Abundant snowfall. 13. Refer to the given table and select the correct option regarding X and Y. Method of cooking food is X and method of preserving food is Y. You read the given 4 options and try to find out the answer. So to find the answer, first I am going to check X. X is method of cooking food. Drying, wrong. Freezing, wrong. Gelling, wrong. Steaming is correct. And here drying, freezing and gelling are food preserving techniques. So our answer is D. And for Y, pickling. Pickling is a food preserving technique. So D is the correct answer. 14. Study the given family tree and select the correct option regarding it. You look at the given family tree carefully and read the given 4 options and try to find out the answer. So to find the answer, we will check the options one by one. Sita and Raj are cousins. Sita and Raj. And the parents of Raj and Sita are same. So they are siblings, not cousins. So A is wrong. Mohan is Ravi's brother-in-law. Mohan and Ravi. And Mohan is husband of Sita. Sita and Ravi are siblings. So this is the correct statement. So B is correct. Mohan is brother-in-law of Ravi. 15. Read the given paragraph. Process X causes fogging of bathroom mirror when someone takes hot shower. Process Y helps in drying up of wet cloths when put on cloths line under the sun. Identify the processes X and Y and select the correct option regarding them. You read the given 4 options and try to find out the answer. So to find the answer, first we have to identify the process X and Y. Process X causes fogging of bathroom mirror when someone takes hot shower. So process X is a condensation process. Process Y helps in drying up of wet cloths when put on cloths line under the sun. So process Y is evaporation process. Now we will check the options one by one. During process X, gaseous state of water is converted into liquid state. Process X is condensation process. So this statement is correct. Process Y helps in formation of clouds from water vapor present in air. Process Y is evaporation. So this is a wrong statement. Both processes X and Y are involved in completion of water cycle. X is condensation, Y is evaporation. So this statement is correct. So our answer is both A and C. So answer is D. 16. Refer to what the girl in the picture is saying. She should visit a dash for her new dress. Oh, need a new dress to wear at the party. Plumber, tailor, stationer, architect. The correct answer is B. Tailor. 17. X is an object that moves around a planet. Y is a group of stars that form a pattern in the sky. Select the correct option regarding X and Y. Read the given 4 options and try to find out the answer. So the correct answer is B. X would be moon, whereas Y would be Orion. Orion is the example of constellation. And here moon moves around the planet Earth. 18. Select the instrument or object that is used in an occupation different from the one where the other 3 are used. You look at the given 4 pictures carefully and try to find out the answer. The odd one out is D because these 3 are musical instrument. This is not a musical instrument. 19. Match column 1 with column 2 and select the correct option. Column 1 ship, helicopter, aeroplane, steamer. Column 2 helipad, airport, harbor, seashore, water transport, air transport. You read the given 4 options and try to find out the answer. The correct answer is A. Ship, harbor, helicopter, helipad, aeroplane, airport, steamer, water transport. 20. A helmet is used while dash swimming, playing badminton, biking, singing. The correct answer is C. Biking. 21. Refer to the given picture and select the correct statement. You look at the given picture carefully and read the given four options. Then try to find out the answer. Here they have given the direction. So to find the answer, first I will mark north direction as top side, south is bottom side, east is right side, west is left side. Now we will check the options one by one. Police station is to the north of Rekha's home. Now we have to compare Rekha's home and police station. Rekha's home is given here and police station is given here. So police station is to the north of Rekha's home. Yes, this is the correct statement. Library is to the west of school. School and library we have to compare. Library is here, school is here, and library is right of school. Right means east side. So this is wrong statement. Fire station is to the south of hospital. Now we have to compare fire station and hospital. Fire station is here and hospital is here. Fire station is at the north side, not south. So this is also wrong. Post office is to the east of fire station. Post office is here and fire station is here, and here post office is to the left of fire station, that means west of fire station. So this is also wrong. Correct answer is A. 22. Three of the following are related to one organ system. Select the odd one out. Heart, small intestine, stomach, pancreas. The odd one out is heart. The other three are related to digestive system. Heart belongs to circulatory system. 23. Study the given flowchart carefully. Cotton and silk are represented by the letters dash and dash respectively. You look at the given flowchart and read the given informations carefully. Then try to find out the answer. And here our question is, we have to identify cotton and silk. So to find the answer, we will follow the flowchart one by one. Start, is it natural? Yes, because cotton and silk are natural fibers. Does it come from plants? Yes, cotton is come from plant. So Q is cotton. The first answer is Q. So the answer may be B or C. First answer is Q. D and A are wrong. And next one, does it come from plants? No, because silk is not a plant fiber, it is an animal fiber. Does it come from animals? Yes, silk is an animal fiber. So our answer is R. Silk is R. So silk is R, so our answer is B. 24. Which of the following houses is primarily built for protection against floods? You look at the given four options carefully and try to find out the answer. The correct answer is A. Stilt house. 25. At night, plants take in X and animals take in Y during breathing. Select the option that correctly identifies X and Y. You read the given four options and try to find out the answer. First, I am going to find the answer for Y. Animals take in Y during breathing. Animals take in oxygen. So the answer may be A or C. B and D are wrong. At night, plants take in X. So during night time, plants breathe like animals. That means plants take in oxygen. So X is oxygen. So our answer is A, not C. 26. Which of the following are adjacent neighbor planets in our solar system? Mercury, Earth, Neptune, Pluto, Earth, Moon, Jupiter, Saturn. The correct answer is D, Jupiter, Saturn. 27. Select the option that on unscrambling gives the name of our body's supporting framework of bones. First, unscramble the given 4 options and then find the answer. If we unscramble the 4 options, we get skeleton, stomach, muscle, liver. Our question is name of our body's supporting framework of bones. So the answer is A, skeleton. 28. Dash breathes using the same organ as the animal shown in the picture. This is ant. You look at the given 4 pictures carefully and try to find out the answer. The correct answer is C, grasshopper. Here, ant and grasshoppers are insects. They breathe with a network of tiny tubes called trachea. They don't have lungs to breathe. 29. Sneha is eating an apple. Which of the following is the correct sequence in which the apple will pass through her digestive system? You read the given 4 options carefully and try to find out the answer. The correct answer is A, mouth, food pipe, stomach, small intestine, then large intestine. 30. Select the tool that measures in the unit of kilogram. You look at the given 4 pictures carefully and try to find out the answer. Kilogram is the unit of weight, which is used to measure the weight. C. Next topic is Achiever section. 31. Refer to the given figure in which labeled part water consumes or gains heat X and releases or loses heat Y respectively. You look at the given figure carefully and read the given informations. Then read the given 4 options and then find the answer. So to find the answer, we will read the given information in the figure. We will start from here. Water to steam, that is P. We need heat to convert water into steam. P is a heat consuming process. And Q is steam to water. In this process, heat losses. So Q is a heat losing process. And R is water to ice. It is a heat losing process. And S is conversion of ice to water. So to convert ice into water, it consumes some heat. So S is a heat consuming process. So here X is P and S. So our answer is B. And Y is Q and R. 32. P and Q are two blocks of same material and equal weight. Different amounts of force were required to move the boxes for equal distances over different surfaces as shown here. Surface X, surface Y. Select the option that correctly identifies the two surfaces. You look at the given pictures carefully and read the given 4 options, then try to find out the answer. And here our question is identifies the two surfaces. Okay. And here the force given by surface X is 40 and the force given by surface Y is 30. And we know there is a direct relationship between friction and force. If friction high means force also high. If friction low means force also low. In which surface friction is high? Rough surface. So X is rough surface, and in which surface friction is low? Smooth surface. So Y is a smooth surface. Now we have to find the answer from the given four options. So the answer is A. X concrete. Concrete is a rough surface. Y polished wood is a smooth surface. 33. Refer to the given flow chart and select the option that correctly identifies P, Q, R or S. You look at the given flow chart and read the given informations carefully. Then find the answer from the given four options. So to find the answer, we will read the informations one by one. Material is fragile. Fragile means easily breakable. Yes. So S and P are easily breakable. Allows light to pass through S, P. So P is breakable and allows light to pass through. First we will check the answer for P. Okay. P, clear glass. Yes, this is the correct one. It is breakable and it allows light to pass through it. And next P is here. P is ceramic. Yes, it is breakable, but it doesn't allow light to pass through it. So this is a wrong statement. In other two options, P is not given. Okay. So now we will check the answer for yes. Allows light to pass through, no. Yes, this is easily breakable one, but it doesn't allow light to pass through it. Okay, so it is a ceramic. This is a correct one. So A is the correct answer. In B, S is given as rubber, but S is ceramic, so this is wrong. And in D also S is given as rubber, but S is ceramic, so this also wrong. The correct answer is A. 34. Refer to the given food web and select the correct statements. You look at the given food web, read the given four statements and try to find out the answer. To find the answer, we will check the options one by one. In the given food web, P is the producer. Producer is nothing but plants, okay? But in the food web, P eats, yes. So P is not the producer. This is a wrong one. An increase in the Q population is most likely to cause an increase in the S population. This is a correct statement. And here S is the producer, that means plants. If there is a increase in plants means there is an increase in T also and there is an increase in Q also. So this is a correct statement because T eats S and Q eats T. There are 6 interconnected food chains in the given food web. This is wrong because there are only 4 food chains in the given food web. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. In the given food web, P and T are herbivores, whereas Q and R are carnivores. And here, yes, plants. P and T eats, yes, so herbivores, correct. Q and R. Q eats T, R eats P. These two are animals. So Q and R are carnivores. This also correct. So this statement is correct. So the correct answer is 2 and 4. Option B. 35. Shruti observed the moon from 14th June to 28th June. She noted that full moon appeared on 18th June. Select the option that correctly shows the phases of moon that she observed on 14th and 25th June respectively. You look at the given four options carefully and try to find out the answer. we get full moon on 18th June. And after 7 days, that means plus 7, that means 25th June, we get half moon. Likewise, before 7 days, that means minus 7 from 18, 11th June also half moon. Our question, second question is 25th June, we have to find the phases of moon. So 25th June is half moon. So 25th June is half moon. Option D is the correct one. And 14th June lies between 11th and 18th. So gibbous moon appears between half and full moon. So 14th June is gibbous moon. So my dear students, today we have completed 2017 Set B NSO question paper for class 3 students. If you have any doubts, you please write it in the comment box. If you like this video, please like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you.